Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find more art materials on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the app icon on the top left side on the screen and click to the Clip Studio Assets button on the left side on the screen. You can find many art materials, for example brushes, 3D items, and more things. Or you can search for materials with the search option and just type to the word. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.